Another round of American Farming. Hold on. And yes, we actually have the all DLC. Happy day. So, alright, stop. So we'll go first person here. So right here we have our 2024 or 2023 Chevy Silverado crew cab utility flatbed. No, and we're going to get.
I thought I said get chili sauce.
You said chili sauce.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn something. So. Get backed up here to the trailer. And I'm off. I'm not in the trailer. No, I'm not. Still not. Okay, let's try it now. No. There we go. Hold on.
Grocery store. It's not gonna stay.
So we're gonna let's try this one more time. Come on, where's the thing to get into the truck?
Hey boys, you gotta come cook your own hot dogs.
Where is it? Okay, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the yearlings from the
Guys, if you want a hot
hold on, guys. Alright, so try that. Load wind. So we're almost out of fuel. So I'm gonna have to make a life or death situation here, so I don't run out of fuel. I mean, I'm taking it off of 100X anyway. Alright, stop right there. Refill. So we're alright, well, okay, take it off 100X. Settings, go 1X. So we're moving. Whoa, we're stuck. We're moving another. Well, there's the 40-foot gooseneck. Alright. Brake. Unload all. And then pull the trailer out of the way. Park it right here. And then let's go settings. Alright, we'll run without volume for a little bit. So I do have. Well, hold on, let me check. Feed. Out. Out. So we get to make. Wait, hold on.
Then if you are
So here we go. Of course, I gotta get. Well, let's see. Did I get it? Yes. So we're on our way. I'm gonna pull over here again and get some fuel. Money will fill up while you got the chance. So I'll. Okay, turn that down.
Right, one. 1028 Pound King X-ray 712 is returning to an Arliss of Krista of Gary, Indiana on a silver 2012 Honda Civic 27-2025 signal waiting.
So, alright, take it off rabbit speed. Turn right here. Wait, oh, I went too far. Or I went way too far. So this will be the start of the small farm to big farm series. We start with no money. Well, $13,000 and a truck.
Medic 10, White County. Medic 10. Are you en route?
Alright, I'll be back. I'll just let him run. I'll be back.
On 3 Elmer Gross Drive. There will be a subject watching the subject. The patient is going to be in his throat down a long flight of stairs. He weighs approximately 180 pounds, unable to move his head or weight.
Can you get this?
Buffalo first, clear on secondary. Buffalo first, Buffalo Fire 1. Go ahead. How many personnel do you have? 2. 10-4, I'm about on the roll. Advise what we have. I need to back it. Clear tab 34251.
leave him a note that he's at the Elsa Street address.
Okay.
Code 1, no further.
Clear. Clear 1.
It's Sam, Fly Young, George 156.
Clear. Then,
I'll be today with a report. Female male, juvenile are walking. Home at this time. Calls at the vehicle.
clear.
Buffalo first is going.
Buffalo first, Buffalo Fire 1. Dispatch Buffalo first, so I'm saying.
Buffalo first.
Fire 1. Go ahead and bring the stair chair down and a backboard. And we'll use the backboard to get them off the boat, and then we can just use a stair chair up the stairs. Clear.
Alright, we're back. So here is where all the magic happens. We're gonna go round back.
044027.
Just drive right up here. Well, yeah.
374.
Okay. So here's the next bail. Wait, no, I don't want to drive.
Zero proof or any reputable information that those firearms are his neighbors.
So we don't have anything to sell right now, except for maybe a couple hay bales, but I'm not looking
Find out where the firearms are at. What's your recommendation?
looking to sell anything at
Clear.
the moment.
Remington. Accounting.
Remington 3.
Your driver's valid signal 80.
Remington 3.
We're gonna pull up here at a gas pump real quick, fill up fuel, and then head back to the house to dump these bales off. And yes, there will be I'm gonna do a video series of what's the battery? 48. A video series of strictly hauling bales of hay to farmers with my farm, but we're gonna pretend like it's not my farm. So this is what the inside of the truck looks like. And yes, the truck I'm driving is a part of the new it's a part of the Truck Pack DLC, which I have all, wrong turn. I have all DLC unlocked, and we are able to haul anything we want. So bales are gonna be our main haul. So
Clear 491.
bales will be the main thing we haul. Actually, bales will probably be the only thing we're gonna haul. Yeah, bales will be the only thing we haul with the truck. So, and yes, there is radio in the background. It'll be 20-minute video with full manure. Oh, the feed. Well, both things are out of feed, so it'll probably be at least, because this will be the last load of hay that I haul. So the property that we're going to is my home is right here. So I have with
Active state 1027, 1014.
so these bales are for the cows. So I'll end the video once I get hold on, I gotta back up since I kind of
Second County back in service. Clear.
Alright guys, that'll be the end of today's video. Well, let me get the truck put and let me move it real quick. Move that. Yeah. I know, I'm gonna play with them in a second. So park it there, detach, and then just pull forward. Alright, so that'll be the end of today's video.